Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Tortang Talong. Start by roasting your eggplants directly over an open flame until their skin is completely charred and the inside is wonderfully soft. This step is crucial for that smoky flavor. Once cooled enough to handle, carefully peel away the burnt skin, leaving the stem attached. Then, gently flatten each eggplant with a fork, preparing it for the next delicious stage. Next, let's prepare our egg mixture. In a shallow bowl, whisk together 2 to 3 large eggs until they are well combined. Season them simply with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor, feel free to incorporate a tablespoon of minced garlic or finely chopped onions into your egg wash. Now for the frying. Carefully dip each flattened eggplant into your seasoned egg mixture, making sure it's thoroughly coated on all sides. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a non-stick pan over a medium flame. Place the eggplants in the hot pan and fry them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are cooked through. Your delicious Tortang Talong is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately while it's still warm for the best experience. This classic Filipino dish is absolutely perfect alongside a generous serving of fluffy steamed white rice. For an extra burst of flavor, try dipping it in a simple sauce of soy sauce with calamansi or a vinegar and garlic mixture. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.